अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। इस सेशन में हम पढ़ेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन। मल्टीप्लिकेशन एज यू कैन सी यू हैव टू लर्न टेबल्स फॉर दैट, ठीक है। उसके लिए हमें टेबल्स आना बहुत ज़रूरी हैं। अब आज पढ़ेंगे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 5 डिजिट नंबर्स अप टू 3 डिजिट नंबर्स। पहले मैं सॉल्व करूँगी एक 3 डिजिट नंबर्स को एक 2 डिजिट नंबर से, ठीक है। अच्छा, जब हम नंबर्स हमारे पास जो लिखे हुए होते हैं, याद रखिएगा, जो ऊपर का नंबर, जो टॉप नंबर है, उसे हम कहते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेंट। मल्टीप्लिकेंट क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेंट इज एक्चुअली द नंबर और द क्वांटिटी विच वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, यानी वो नंबर या वो क्वांटिटी जिसको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जिसको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है। और सेकंड नंबर होता है मल्टीप्लायर। मल्टीप्लायर वो नंबर होता है जिसको हम मल्टीप्लिकेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, यानी कि जिस नंबर की टेबल को एक्चुअली हम पढ़ते हैं वो होता है मल्टीप्लायर, ठीक है। जिस नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेंट से। ये हो गई दो चीज़ें जो मल्टीप्लाई के सम में होती हैं। इसके अलावा जो हमारे पास आंसर आता है वो कहलाता है प्रोडक्ट। नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ डू वी सॉल्व दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन सम। नाउ लुक एट दिस। Here we have 2 digits numbers. We have to multiply 3 digits with the 2 digits. ठीक है, up till now you have learned how to multiply the numbers with 2 digit numbers also, you know. But first of all we have to multiply the ones. Multiply the ones with all the 3 digit numbers. Before that we should know that what is the place value of 3? It's ones, this one is tens and this one is hundreds. So multiply ones with ones first, then tens and then hundreds. पहले हम 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से, फिर 4 से और फिर 2 से। Now let's see how we can do it. 6 3s are 18. One carry here. As I've told you, when we have 2 digit numbers we always have to carry, ठीक है। It's 18. Now 6 4s are how much? 24. Should I write 24 here? No, because we always have a carry number here. We always have to plus. We don't have to multiply, we have to plus. So we multiply 6 with 4 and then we do addition of this carry. Means 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 में पहले क्या आता है number 2, so we write 2 in the carry and then we write here 5. Now again, should we multiply 4 with 2? No, because first we are multiplying only one's number of multiplier. So we multiply 6 with the number 2. 6 2s is how much? 12. Now we have to add the carry number. So 12 plus 2 is how much? 14. Now we not have any more numbers left. So we will not write any carry number here because now we do not have to number here in the end. So we write 14 all together here. 14. Now 6th number of multiply is already solved. We already multiply 6 with 3, 4 and 2. Now which number is left? 4. Now once one number is done, जब आपका एक नंबर multiply कर लें, we should put 1 क्रॉस है। वी कैन ऑल्सो पुट 0, हम यहाँ पे 0 लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन 0 कैन मेक यू कन्फ्यूज, तो इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि हम क्रॉस लगाएं। अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट 0। हमने यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगाया है क्योंकि हमें पता चल गया है कि हमें एक नंबर हमारा सॉल्व हो गया है। नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज़ 4. नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई 4 विथ 3, 4 and 2. नाउ व्हाट वी डू? We multiply 4 with 3. 4 3s are how much? 12. 2 here, 1 carry. Carry on 4 because 3 4 हम 4 को 3 से कर चुके हैं. 4 3s are 12. So we have to write now here 1 and here we write carry. 4 4s are 16. Now we again have another carry. So until we will not plus this carry, we will not put a circle. हमें ये बात पता चल गई है कि हमने जो सर्कल कर लिए हैं नंबर्स वो हमारे ऑलरेडी प्लस हो चुके हैं. तो अब हमारे पास जो नंबर नया आया है कैरी 1, इसको हमें प्लस करना है. 4 4 ज़ा 16, 16 प्लस 1 17. हमने यहाँ 1 लिखा, यहाँ लिख दिया 7. Now next number is what? 4 2 ज़ा. 4 2 ज़ा is how much? 8. Now again we have another carry number here 1. We will not plus 2 because हमने इसको सर्कल कर लिया, which means कि this has already been done. इसको हम already solve कर चुके हैं. So 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 plus 1 9. अब क्या करना है आपने आखिर में, जब आपके पास दोनों नंबर्स का आ गया प्रोडक्ट यानी आंसर आ गया, दोनों के मल्टीप्लायर और मल्टीप्लिकेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आया है आपका, ये अभी एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं है क्योंकि अभी आपका दोनों का सम नहीं आया यानी कि एडिशन नहीं आया है. इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड. नाउ फर्स्ट वी एडिशन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वंस कॉलम. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट 8 हियर. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. 4 plus 7 or 7 plus 4 8 9 10 11. 1 again carry here. Now we not put carry on these two numbers. Why? Because हम इनको तो सॉल्व कर चुके हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेंट और मल्टीप्लायर को हम सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. अब हमें किसको करना है, इन दोनों नंबर्स को प्लस करना है. तो हम कैरी भी इस नंबर के ऊपर लगाएंगे 1 के ऊपर. ठीक है. सो इट विल बी 11. नाउ 1 plus 1 2 and 9 plus 2 again 11. So what is our number now? Let's put comma after 3 numbers. 1 2 3. Now how do we read this number? 11,178. 11,178. Now in this multiply sums we have learned that the top number is called multiplier, which we have to multiply with the other number, and the number which is on the bottom is called the multiplier, which should be multiplied with the multiplicand, means we have to read the table. Now we are going to solve the 5-digit numbers with the 3-digit numbers. Now we have 5-digit numbers. Now we multiply 5-digit numbers with the 3-digit numbers. The multiplier will be of 3 digits. Now first what we do, first we multiply the multiplier of ones, then multiply tens, and then multiply hundreds. First we multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier 1, that is 5 number. Now let's multiply this number's whole number, means 24,358 we are multiplying with the 465 multiplier. So first we multiply with 5, 5 8s are 40, 2-digit numbers. In 40 we write 4 first, so 4 will be carry and 0 will come here. 5 5s are 25. Now we have to plus the carry number, that is 4, that is 5 5 25 plus 4 26 27 28 29 29. Now we multiply 5 with 3. Can we multiply 6 or 4? No, until our 5 means the ones of multiplier will not be completed, we are not multiplying with the other numbers. So 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 17. Now 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. Now after 5 is done, the ones of multiplier is done. Now we put the cross, means ones digit of multiplier is done. Now let's do with number 6, that is tens of multiplier. Now we are multiplying 6 with the all digits on the top number. First we multiply 6 with the ones, 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 8 here. Now this 4 we have to plus or this 4? We have to plus this 4 because this 4 is already done because I have put the circle. You also do it please. Once you done the addition of the carries, please put a circle, small circle on it, so that you should know that you have already done this carry. So 6 8 is 48, 4 carry, 8 here, 6 5 is the 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 3 carry, 4 here. Now we multiply 6 with what? 3. These two numbers are circle, means this we have already solved. Now we multiply 6 with 3. 6 3 is 18. Now 18 plus 3 how much? 21. So we write 2 here and then 1 here. Put a circle on it so that we should know that we have done this carry. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 how much? 17 18. 1 carry, 8 here. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Now you can see the number of digits has increased in this answer. First of all, in this 1 answer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Now we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Now let's solve the other one, that is number 4. So 2 numbers are done. So we put 2 cross now. And now we will multiply what? 4. Multiply we will use to multiply the whole digit on the top number. For first we multiply 4 with the ones. 4 8s are 32. Again we write 3 here with 5 because we have to carry, and then we write 2 here. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 में हमने कितने प्लस किए? 3 प्लस किए. 4 क्यों नहीं किए? क्योंकि 4 हमारे पास दोनों सर्कल हैं, विच मीन्स कि वो हम ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. अब हमें पास 3 नंबर सर्कल नहीं था, विच मीन्स कि वी हैव टू कैरी दिस प्लस दिस कैरी नंबर 3. 4 5 20. 20 plus 3 23. So we write carry 2 here and then write 3 here. Now we have to multiply 4 with 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Again 2 digit number. So we have to carry here and write 4 here. Now next number is what? 4. We have to multiply with another 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry and 7 down. Now the last number is what? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now after solving all the multipliers, what we do in the end? We do addition. Yes. We add all these numbers. 0 with cross, it will come as 0 because there is no number, so we only have to copy this number. But here we have 9 and 8. So we plus 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry here. Why we are carrying here? Because we have to add these numbers. So we carry here and write here 17. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 plus 2, 14. 1 carry here, 4 here. Now we have to plus these numbers, all these 3 numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Look at it carefully again. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Here we do not have to carry anything because it's single digit number. So now we add these 3 numbers. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. And 5 plus 7, how much? Well, what we can do, we can keep bigger number in mind, the 7, and then we take out 5 fingers and then start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry here, 9 plus 1, 10, and 10 plus 1, 11. Now, to find out how to read this big number, what we have to do? We have to put the commas from the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. Put comma here after 3 numbers. Again after 3 numbers we have to put comma. 1, 2, 3. Now, let me tell you how do we read this number. So, what we can do, we can put the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then millions, and then 10 millions. So, we can say 11 millions. 11 millions 246,470. How do we read this number? 11,246,470. I hope you understand up till now how to multiply 5-digit numbers by 3-digit number. Now, let us look for the word problems of multiply sentence.